Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the time in your Honda Fit Hybrid. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. This allows full access to the infotainment system. Next, navigate to the main home screen. From there, you will need to find and select the settings icon, which typically looks like a small gear. This is your gateway to customizing various vehicle functions, including the clock. Once you are in the settings menu, your next step is to locate the specific clock options. You might see a menu item called Clock/Info or System Settings. Select this to proceed. For some Honda Fit models, you may need to press and hold a physical Menu/Clock button on your dashboard or radio until the time display begins to flash. This action prepares the system for time adjustments. Now it's time to actually set the clock. If your Honda Fit has a touchscreen, simply tap the hour display to adjust it, then tap the minute display. For models with physical controls, you will typically use a selector knob. Rotate this knob to change the hour, then press it to switch to the minute adjustment. Rotate the knob again to set the correct minutes. This intuitive process makes precise time setting straightforward. Once you have set both the hours and minutes to the correct time, the final step is to save your changes. On touchscreen systems, look for an OK button to confirm your selection. If you are using physical buttons, press the clock or Menu/Clock button one more time to finalize the setting. The clock on your dashboard and infotainment screen will now display the updated time, ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.